Hello, welcome here. I am with Diego, and well, today we are going to show you how you can make this beanie, this hat for your casimeritos. Remember that this is an idea and you can dress all your toys, okay? Today we are going to use the casimerito as our model and we are going to dress him, okay? Remember that in the last video, well, in a previous video I shared, I teach you how you can make the blanket and I teach you a new stitch. But well, today I'm going to show you how you can make the beanie, completing that series, and we are going to involve our kids to help us in this activity, okay? And it's a perfect opportunity to spend time with them. Well, let's start. I will give you the material list. Well, Diego says that he wants to use a similar color of the hair of the casimerito, so he chose this one. I will use a medium weight yarn. I will use this brand and I will use the light blue, okay? And I will use the hook of number 3. Well, the main purpose of this video is to dress our toys, but Diego want to show us this. This is the diaper, right? Well, but also the purpose is to show you a new technique of how you can make a beanie or a hat, okay? But well, we are going to use the hook of number 3, and well, this is our, here we have all our models, right? Well, let's start. I hope that you enjoy and that you invite all your kids to make this activity with you. Well, now that we have all the material ready, we are going to start making a strip of chains, okay? We are going to use our hook and we are going to make a strip that goes all around the head of our toy. Okay, in this case, I will make a chain that goes all around the head of this micromerito. Right, Diego? No, casimerito. Okay, so here is Diego next to me. He's waiting until I finish to make the beanie. Well, you can see, but Diego brought me a big bag full with a skein of yarns because he asked me to dress all his toys. So I have a lot of work. So to me, it's a pleasure to make something special for him, and that the fact that he is here waiting and to see his face, he's very excited. So this moment, it's priceless to me. But well, I have to make more chains because as you could see, we have to make more. Well, let me see. I have a lot of work, right? I have a lot of toys to dress. So I think I'm going to take 2 chains. So I think, well, now that we have the chains that we need, please make sure that you don't twist too much. So we are going to slip one to close. We will make 2 chains and we are going to start making double crochet. And I will take the thread that we used in the beginning. I will take it and I will crochet over it so I can hide it while I make the double crochet. So I will make a row of double crochet all around the base chains that we made, like this. Diego says that after this he wants that I dress churrito, but I don't know, we will find other idea. So please help me. And after this, I think that I'm going to continue making other videos, but I didn't want it to lose the opportunity to make this video with him because soon I'm coming back to Mexico. My grandchild, they live in Spain, so the time that I get to spend with them, I treasure it. So well, we are going to finish to make the row of double crochet and see you there at the end. Well, at the end of the row, we are going to slip one to close. I will show you again. And well, right away, we are going to insert the hook and we will take the first double crochet in row left. And we are going to make the elastic. So we are going to alternate. Once we are going to place the hook in front, and once we are going to place the hook in the back, and we are going to continue making double crochet. So we are going to make double crochet over double crochet. Well, Diego wants to show us all the papers that comes with the casimeritos. First, before they born, they are neonatos, and when they born, they are casimeritos. And this is like the identification letter. It says the day they born. Here you can register the vaccines it has. Here is the name of the parents, the address, the date of birth, place of birth, and here, well, as you could see, they already fill of this. Well, actually, Santiago helped him to fill of these documents. So this is the documents of the neonatos. So he wanted to show us. He asked me to show this to you. So well, this brand and these toys are made in Mexico, and this brand is Mexican too. So every time that I come here, he asks me to bring one casimerito, because here in Spain it's weird that you find these toys. They are everywhere. They are sold out. So he's very happy when I bring this kind of gifts to him. But well, we are going to keep them, okay? Let's continue making the double crochet in relief. Remember, we are alternating. Well, Diego here is bringing all the accessories because he wants to show you. Look, this is churrito. Well, at the end of the row, we are going to slip one to close, and we are going to make one row more like we made exactly the same, okay? Alternating. Remember, if we took the double crochet in the back, we are going to continue taking it from the back. If we took it from the front, we are going to take it from the front. Like this in relief, we are going to make one row more, and then in the next row, we are going to reduce. So see you at the end. Well, at the end of the row, we are going to slip one to close. I'm going to measure to my casimerito because I think that with these two rows is enough, and then we can start reducing, okay? In the case if you have other toy and you need to make more rows, well, you are going to follow the same instructions and make more rows until you get the height of the beanie that you want, okay? So in this case for the casimerito is enough. So now we are going to start reducing. And look, like this is how we are going to reduce. Right away we are going to take the first stitch in relief. We are going to go up with 3 chains, and now to reduce we are going to take only the stitch that we have in relief. You see, like this, and we will continue making double crochet, and like this we will reduce. Well, look, at the end of the row you are going to slip one to close, and we are going to see, okay, how it's looking. Well, as you could see, it's very easy to make this kind of beanie. You can follow the same instructions and make one for you too, and you can dress all your toys too. You can make their accessories in different colors. So we are going to make one row more like we are making, and I think that with that will be enough, and then we will close. So one more like this one. Look, I made 2 rows more, and I think I'm going to make one more to completely close. Look, Diego is showing this accessory. So look, so far we have 1, 2, so 2 rows without reducing, and then we reduce 1, 2, 3, 4 rows where we reduce, and then I'm going to make one more reducing. So counting the 2 rows at the beginning and these 5 where we reduce, we have 7 rows. So we are going to slip one and go up with 3 chains, and we will continue only taking this double crochet in relief, okay? Well, at the end, I think that this will be the last row. Yes, to close, and then we are going to make a pom-pom. Well, at the end of the row, we are going to slip one to close, and I think that with this row is enough, right? Well, we are going to cut a long thread, and we will use this thread to close. And we are going to use the hook. I will show you just like this. We are going to close, make a knot, and then like this we are going to take one loop. No, just let me remember, how is it? Yes. And we are going to take one here, one in the other side, respecting the order and all the stitches. So we are going to insert the hook in the back, and we are going to insert the hook in front, and we will pull the thread through all these spaces until we arrive where we started. Okay, until we arrive here. So well, like this, I'm going to pull I pulled the thread of the beginning, and now I have the thread of the end. So I'm going to make a knot, and like this is how we are going to close. You see, this is the easiest, but the easiest hat that you will learn how to make. So it's very easy if you're learning how to crochet. I think that this project is perfect to start, and you can start making accessories for your toys. So at the end we are going to take these threads in the wrong side, and we are going to cut. You see, this is the easiest hat I promised, and you can make for you, but as I told you, you can start making for your toys. You can start making a small size so you can practice, and then you can make something for yourself. Well, Diego, he wants to put the hat, the beanie. So cute, right? Well, now we are going to make a pom-pom to decorate this hat. Well, look, remember that in a previous video, I showed you how you can make the blanket, and now we have completed um, the set making this beanie with a pom-pom. If you want, you can put a bottom or a brooch. Diego, he wants that we make something for a churrito, so I don't know. Let me think for an idea to make something special. But well, I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you could include your kids and spend quality time with them and treasure these moments with them, okay? Well, I hope that you have enjoyed making this beanie, this hat with me. This is the easiest hat that you will learn how to make, as I told you in the video. If you are learning how to crochet, this is a perfect project to start. You can start also making your own business. You can dress your toys, and you can make sorry, Diego is moving the camera and show you. Diego, let me show the kids. Well, we already made the hat, and in a previous video I teach you how you can make the blanket, and I teach you at different stitches so you can Diego, say bye. You can learn, right? So invite all your kids and all my subscribers to watch the previous videos, and I hope that you have enjoyed. As I told you, this is a perfect activity for your kids. Also, you can invite them to learn how to crochet. A perfect is activity for the brain. You will develop a lot of skills, so it's very healthy that they learn how to crochet. But well, thank you. See you very soon. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to follow me in all my social media. Thank you. Yes, Diego, he's pretty happy, right? It looks so good. Thank you. Say bye, Diego. Bye.